Galaxy is paying hundreds of millions of dollars to be Galaxy through its subscriptions. So understand, we are getting AI very cheaply. But if you want to go deep, pay the $200 a month to ChatGPT, because then you can have an unlimited source of opportunity. But in your current versions, your $20 versions, you can go to a level. But then all you're doing is you just start again, like start the new thread and you just keep going. That will not affect the outputs if you're just keeping it short. It's not like, hey, I've reached my limit for today. That's not going to happen. What you can do is just go and start a new thread and go and just keep it compartmental. Like work on one small, don't ask for big things, ask for one part of a big thing, then add the next thing. And then so that means it's a different thread every time you're working it. But what most people do is, you get lazy, you go, I'll just work this row and like keep using the information above. If you keep telling it to use the information above, now what it's going to do is going to cycle the information. So now it's going to give you what it thinks you want, not what you're asking it to create. It becomes agreeable. You don't want AI to become agreeable. As soon as AI becomes agreeable, you're dumb. It's dumb, right? It makes you stupid, yeah? Because then it doesn't make sense. Yeah.
Yeah.